Hello everyone, welcome back to Array Blog once again. So we have learned about list, but what if we want a collection of items that cannot be changed? So a collection of items that cannot be changed. So that's where tuples come in. So in this video, we'll explore tuples in Python, what they are, how they work, and when to use them. So we'll create a file first, that is tuple.py, and I'm gonna to put all this file in a GitHub repo so that you guys can access it and see it. So the first question is, what is tuple? So a tuple is an ordered immutable collection in Python. So what does immutable means? If once you create it, you cannot modify it, right? So let's see how we can create. How we can create a tuple. So I'll create my tuple equals to, that is 1 2 3, right? And what we'll do, we'll print that is my underscore tuple, right? So we'll run it python, and then my underscore, and then file name is, that is tuple, right? So it's a 1 2 3. Now tuple are created using parentheses. So list are created the bracket, and tuple are created using the parentheses. Even a single element tuple needs a comma. So you have to add comma once your single element is created. So for example, we can see multiple example here. So T1, like we created tuple 1, and then 2, 4, and then 6. Now we want to create tuple 2, then we can create suppose apple, and then like the banana. And T3, if you want to create, then we can create one, and then we have to add the single element tuple. We have to add comma. Otherwise, it will say this class is not a tuple. So for checking this, let's see print, and then how we check the data types using the type function. Now we'll write the tuple 3 so that we can check it what kind of the tuple is. So we'll run it and we'll see. See, it say the class is tuple, right? Now next thing is how we can access the element of a tuple. Just like list, we can use the indexing and slicing. So for example, we'll declare of fruits, and then we declare the tuple. I'll just copy paste it from here, that would be easier, right? So we have declared tuple apple and banana again. Now we want to access the apple, right? So what we'll do, we'll print, and then fruits, and then we pass the index, that is 0, right? And if you want to access the banana, you have to give -1, right? So I'll say you guys try with the different kind of indexing and slicing, unlike I have teached you in a list, so that you will be able to understand more once you do practical with the real like practical with the tuples, like by accessing the element using indexing and slicing. So let's run it and see how it works. Tup tuple, right? Tuple.py. So here we go. We get the apple. Now there are various kind of tuple operation. So in basically tuple support operation like concatenation and repetition. But so remember, in list we can add the element, remove the element in a list, but tuple we cannot do that, right? We will not we are not able to do that because tuple is immutable. Immutable means once you create, you cannot change it. There are some operations that you can perform in a tuple, that is concatenation and repetition, that I will say you guys try it how it works. And there are some useful function for tuples, that is length, max, min, sum. It works same exactly like the we did in a list. So tuple are ordered and immutable collection in Python, perfect for storing the fixed data. Now we learn how to create tuple, access them, and use useful operation. So if this video help you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. In the next one, we are going to learn about the sets. So see you into the next one. Thank you.